Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to start the number system concept. The number system basically we have how we can represent a number in a various forms. Like we have binary representation, we have octal number representation, we have hexadecimal number representation, and we have decimal number system. In all this number system, we have the common thing as the radix or base. Okay, so first we will discuss what is a base. Okay, if I say base n, if I have a number system which consists of base n, then meaning is that maximum that number can have from 0, minimum to 0, and it can have maximum of n minus 1 base n. Okay, so simply let's take that example base 2 number system, which we will call it as a binary number representation. So it will have a numbers from 0 to n minus 1, where n is 2, so you will have 1. So you can have 0, 1, 2. So combination of zeros and ones. So the minimum element possible is 0 and the maximum element possible is 1. So which is n minus 1. If I take a decimal number system, which is we will call it as a base 10 number representation. Okay, base 10 we will call it as a decimal number system. So it can have elements from 0 to minimum element is 0 to up to 9 it is possible. Okay, because base 10, then the maximum element possible is n minus 1. Okay, so this is the importance of the base. So lot of times people like in GATE exam or any competitive exam, they will ask questions related to this n minus 1 and n. Okay, some indirectly or directly they will ask the questions. So we will all these things we will discuss one by one. Let me discuss what are the standard number systems are there. The first one is the binary representation or the binary number representation. Binary number representation or binary representation. Then we have decimal number representation. Okay, and we have octal number representation, and then we have hexadecimal number representation. These are the standards. Okay, we have hexadecimal number representation. Binary number representation can even be called as base 2 number system. Okay, and decimal number representation even be denoted as base 10 representation or radix 10 representation. Octal number can be represented using base 8 and hexadecimal will be represented as base 16. Now, if it is base 2, what is the maximum number is allowed? Maximum number is allowed is 1. Okay, and the minimum element is allowed is 0. So in a binary number, the minimum number is 0 and maximum element is 1. Okay, because n minus 1, because base 2 here n value is 2, so n minus 1 is only allowed. Now come to the decimal number. The minimum value allowed is 0 and the maximum value allowed is n minus 1 is 9, because n value here is 10, so it is allowed 9. Now octal number representation, you will have 0 to 7. So minimum element allowed is 0 and the maximum number allowed is 7. When it comes to hexadecimal number representation, we will have minimum element is 0. You will have 1, 2, 3, so on 9. Okay, and come to the 10. 10 people will not represent like this in the hexadecimal. Why it is? If you represent 10, sometimes we can confuse whether it is 10 or 10. So that's why they have represented as a for 10. To represent 10, they are representing as A, and B, they will represent as, for representing 11, they are represented B, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for 15, because maximum element allowed is 15 only. So minimum element is 0 and the maximum number allowed is 15. So 10 can be represented as A and 11 can be represented as B, 12 can be represented as C, so on, F can be represented as 15 can be represented as F. Okay, so this is the standard number system. Or sometimes people can ask you what is the base 7 number representation. They can ask you, these are the standard, even they can ask you base 7. So what is the maximum element allowed? Then maximum element allowed is 6 or base 5. Is it clear? Base 5 means 0 to 4 elements are allowed. So this is about the basics of the number system or the radix of a number system. Sometimes they will ask you, like they will tell it is base 7, okay, 1 to 8 is there, whether it is a correct one or not. Then you have to check it. As it is given as a base 7, the maximum element allowed is up to 6 only. Maximum element is 6 only allowed, but here 8 is there, so it is not a correct representation. Are you able to understand it or not? So if you understand the base, then you can solve these kind of questions. I hope you have understood what is a base or what is a radix and what are the standard number systems are there, like binary representation, decimal representation, hexadecimal number representation, octal number representation. In the next video, we will discuss about binary to decimal. All these conversions we will discuss in one by one in the coming videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.